Hey, sorry, man. I got so much.
Been here about 20 minutes.
Hey, Chief. Hey, Tom. Can you guys give Tom and me a minute or two here, please?
Sure, yeah, no problem.
I brought these for you. Cam Neely's greatest hockey hits. And friends of Eddie Coyle. I should have gotten back to you a long time ago, you know? I know how crazy you are about your Robert Mitchum collection.
And?
That's it, he's leaving?
No, I had a sawbuck on him kicking your ass.
Go back into the kitchen. Hey! Got something you want to say to me, tough guy?
Get in there! You heard me, get the hell back in there! All right. We can sit here all morning knocking the snot out of each other, or you could shut your goddamn yap for 2 seconds and listen to what I gotta say.
Unless you're gonna say you're a gutless, spineless, no balls pussy. I don't want to hear it. I'd rather just keep doing this. At least I get some satisfaction out of it.
All right. Is that what you want to hear?
Yeah.
All right. I'm a no-good, gutless, spineless pussy. Okay? Who abandoned his girlfriend and a paralyzed kid. Because I'm just a self-centered goddamn asshole. Does that about cover it?
Yeah. Did you guys hear that?
Yep. Actually, the last part was a little garbled.
The trouble is, fellas, we only bet the physical confrontation, so there's some money kind of hanging in the balance.
Come here. I want you guys to hear this. You want to know why I left Sheila? It's not because I'm a coward, or I'm a pussy, or I suck like this guy's telling you. It's because I couldn't take it anymore. All right? She's wasted her whole life, all her energy, her time, her money, her hope, on a string of quacks, endless. I mean, pills, protein powders, injections, acupuncture. What is that? I don't know. She's going for every bit of it, hook, line, and sinker. So I try to tell her. You know, I just try to tell her the truth, what this guy should be telling her and everybody else. Which is, Damien ain't ever walking again. He is as is. Done. So she told me to took a hike. I didn't come down here to tell you guys, you know, that it took a lot of balls to tell her that, the truth. But I'm here to say it took a little bit of balls. If Eddie's had any, you tell her the same thing. Soon. Be safe.
Well, always good to see Mick.